back with another video, and before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you to all the people that have been subscribing to my channel. If y'all want to stay tuned or stay posted or stay updated on what I'm doing, make sure to follow my Instagram, which will be right here, and follow my Twitter, which will be right here. We're going to be moving on into today's video. Y'all already read the title, so y'all know what we're getting into. Even though I have short hair, I do sometimes forget that even if your hair is short or long, you still have to take care of your hair because it still gets dry, it still gets flaky, it still has loose ends. Like, I definitely do tend to forget about my hair, but I just want to take better care of my hair because I haven't been taking much care of it lately. Like I said, I just been stuck in this quarantine mode. It's just like, ugh, I don't even feel like doing anything to myself. But anyways, I'm going to be mixing some of that in here, just a little bit. It's a little warm, not really. And then I'm going to be taking the Suave. Oh, it smells really good. And I'm just going to be putting that in there. Using these to shave my face. I found this waxing pen on TikTok, and so now I'm going to test it out. This is going to be my first time trying it. I'm just going to be like waxing like my eyebrow area and like my mustache area, but I don't really have a mustache, but I'm just waxing just because. We don't need instructions. What? The arms of the angel. Oh. This is why you need to read directions, kids. 20 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's working. Okay. Oh, it's hot now. This way or this way? Okay. 1, 2. Oh, I'm scared. Okay. Just don't think about it. So now I'm going to attempt to do my eyebrows, but usually I shave them, so this is about to be very interesting. Make sure it's down there. Ooh. Okay, period. Do you want to apply that pressure to it after you do it? Hurry and get this off the way because this is so painful. We done with that. I noticed that when I have hair on my face, my makeup looks like real cakey because when I put my powder on top, the powder doesn't really get on my skin. It sits on the hair and it looks really terrible. And then I noticed that I have some facial bumps, like small, like heat bumps. And usually when I shave my face, the bumps go away. And my face is very smooth after I get done with it. Like, if y'all haven't tried it, I would say, like, if you want to try it, watch videos on it. When I shave my face, I usually change my razor every 2 times. I only like to use it like every month. When I put the water kind of like on my skin, it sits on top of my hair. Y'all probably can't see, but it's literally sitting on top of the facial hair that I do have. So yeah, just think of that as being makeup or whatever else you put on your face. That's how it does. It just sits on your skin. So yeah. I like to just pull my skin up a bit. And as y'all can see, it's like a lot of hair on my face. I haven't shaved my face in a while. So yeah. I would say I'm not licensed or anything. Like I don't have, I don't have any background experience on this. This is just what I do to my face. So I would say if you are going to try it from my experience, I would definitely say take your time. Don't rush it, because this is still a razor. Even if it's a facial razor or any type of razor, whatever, it still can cut your face. So I would say to definitely take your time. At first, when I first started doing this, I was getting so grossed out because it looked so like dirty. Ugh. I picked up a few things from Ulta today. And I picked up this Geek Facial Cleanser. Just Set Hydration Kit. I have all this left over. Look at the little holes in here. That looks so weird. What's that phobia called? Where like when you see holes, it like freaks you out. Like this is actually kind of freaking me out. But I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm going to come back.
Oh hell no!
I just want to come on and show y'all what it looks like dry. So yeah, I'm about to go wash it off and then I'm gonna come back. My face is actually drying up really bad, so let's start with this Jet Set Hydration Kit. Illuminating eye cream. I won't be using this one today. I'll be using it tonight. I'm not going to use this one today either because we already cleansed my face. I'm gonna put a lot because my face is so dry. So I kind of like this. It doesn't make my face feel oily or anything like that. I have like really bad dark circles under my eyes. So yeah, I'm actually going to leave this on longer because like I said, my hair is so dry. Let's check on it. My hair is so dry. Like it don't make no sense how dry my hair is. You see how dry my face was, baby girl? That's how dry my hair was. So I'm gonna leave this on longer, but this pretty much concludes today's video. Like I was saying earlier, my face feels amazing. Like I have to definitely do this more often. I don't know if you all could tell the difference, but I can definitely see the difference. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below, turn on those post notifications, and comment what you like to see next. Until next time, bye.